here's how this is going to work. I just got on my YouTube and I was looking at it and I was like, on April 9th, for whatever reason, I had like 30 something subscribers coming in or 50 subscribers coming in, day after day for like a week. And I had to figure out what happened here. What did I do differently on April 9th? What I did was a brain dump. Okay. I got on ChatGPT here and I looked at it and I said to myself, go through all of my content. Everything I've written on Substack, everything that I have in YouTube, everything that I talk about in Legacy Forge. What is it that is getting me all of this information? Like what is it that's making this happening? So I looked at it and it turns out I basically just made a bunch of shorts, uploaded them to YouTube automatically through my system that I created for you. And I uploaded them and that was it. They automatically go to YouTube. They automatically went to all my socials. They automatically went to Facebook. They automatically went to Reels and all that stuff and Instagram and Twitter and all these other things. But I haven't done it since April 9th. That's 2 freaking months ago, right? And I looked at it and I was like, why don't I do this every day? Every single day I've got something I want to tell you. Every single day I have value to give you. Every single day I have something to share, whether it's about fatherhood, whether it's about marriage, whether it's about home income, whether it's about working from home and in active income, like day trading, for example, or stuff like this that creates things online. I've learned so much when it comes to building your own stuff, especially using AI, and that I always want to share something with you, right? So I'm always wanting to share. I'm doing this on this old camera that I have today. You could probably tell it's not the best camera, and I apologize for that. But I'm doing this on this camera so I can utilize the other one as well while I'm doing what I'm going to be doing. So today I'm going to show you how to do exactly what I did on April 9th, and which was what? I created and uploaded a bunch of shorts. That's what it was. All right. And I'm going to walk you through this entire process, show you how easy this is with the Night lens inside of Legacy Forge. And what it is it's a simple piece of software that I created that automatically takes what I upload and sends it directly to an AI editor, and then automatically sends it to all of my socials. That's what I created. It's pretty freaking rad, if I do say so myself. So I've done this in a couple of ways. One's long form content where I can upload. Let me show you that. Hold on. I'm going to go to a new tab here, and then I'm going to type in Go Syndico. My admin page here on Go Syndico. This is my private deal that I have. And so it shows, I created this platform only for me. All right. This just basically shows I can generate content here. And but more importantly, I can submit my videos here. I can submit long form or short form content. I just drag it right here, hit submit, and it automatically goes to my AI editor that then my computer will reach up, grab it once it's finished, pull it back down into the computer, make multiple variations of a single short to where it's not duplicate content, and then my platform will then submit them all to my socials. I created this for you, by the way, because when you log into the Night portal, those variations, when you connect your account, let me go back in. When you connect your account right here, all those variations can go out to your content with your affiliate link on it that enable you to be able to make money by kind of sitting back and letting me make content for you. That's what it is, right? So that's how that works. And we do that in lots of different ways, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about talking to ChatGPT, because this is where I say, hey, take all my information, read it, and then create 50, today, let's just say this. Let's say, create for me 20 short video scripts under 30 seconds and under 30 seconds each. Oh, by the way, I'm using Whisperflow, so check this out. Under 30 seconds each for me to record on my Night Lens or my Night Portal and then upload them to SubMagic. So with Whisperflow, by the way, I can just hold down 2 buttons on my keyboard, speak, and it just like does it. Puts it in there for me. Saves a lot of time whenever you're trying to talk to Claude Code and you just want it to do things. The problem is that you kind of get too familiar with it. All right. These are designed for night walks, truck videos, porch videos, and phone face-to-face recordings. Read them naturally. Don't memorize. Just hit record and talk. All right. So now I have this. Okay. I have my script. I'm going to pull my script over here to another page here. Then I'm going to come back here. I'm going to go to the Night Lens. Now you can see the Night Lens. Okay, so the Night Lens is what I created to be able to make videos like this, and you just make it really easy on me to make videos. But if I make it easy on me, I'm also making it easier on you, because we all struggle with the same things. So I want to make it so that I have shorts, so therefore what we're going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to just show you my analytics page real quick so you know where I'm coming from. And what we were able to see here is that when we look on subscribers by content, these get better and better over time. All right. So when I scroll through here and I see what is all of this, where did all of this come from? And this ended up getting suppressed by YouTube because it was an accident that my machine uploaded all this different content at once. But what we got roughly 1 subscriber from every single video that was put out. Now, again, most of this was suppressed by YouTube because of how much of all the content we put out at once, right? You can do 10 shorts in a day. You can't do 25, because YouTube was looking at you like, what are you doing, bro? But so we learned from that. You know what I mean? We learned from that, and that's cool. I get it. I understand why it does that. I know for a fact that this video that was published on June 14th, I know that got me more than 1 subscriber. So I don't know what this number is specifically. Let me look at the analytics let's just take a random one to see the analytics, okay? So it says 1 subscriber, 1,300 views, 1 subscriber from it. All right, I don't know why, but it is what it is, The point is this. If I get 1 subscriber from every short if it took me 15 seconds to record a video and get 1 subscriber from it, or 30 seconds to record a video and get a subscriber, that's not that big of a deal to me. Would I prefer more than that? Yeah, 100%. But some of these videos get more than others, if we look at if we look at what it is that we have going on, coming from, you see, likes and dislikes, views, comments. Okay, they don't show you subscribers on this, but let's look at promotions. And promotions here, we have this one. You have this video. Only real men get this. Got 200 subscribers, right? There's 47 subscribers from this one. 8 subscribers on this one. 588 subscribers on this one, and 33 subscribers on this one. So it's not that bad, you know. I mean, but of course, look how much we're paying for these subscribers. I don't want to make 200 or 588 shorts to get 588 subscribers. That's kind of stupid to me. But at the end of the day, these things do compound, right? So the more that we put out there, the more that it's going to build upon itself. The more subscribers you have, the more people are going to see it. The more subscribers they're going to see it, the more it's going to get pushed, the more it's going to get promoted, and it compounds, right? So it's not a linear thing to where you make one video and get one subscriber every single time. That's not the way this works. So they do compound on one another. So what we're going to do is I'm going to move this enormous amount of tabs over here to one side. I'm going to go back to, if I can find ChatGPT here again, which, because I put ChatGPT over here. All right. So I have GPT right here, and this is what I'm going to use to upload the videos. So boom. So now I can record these right here from my desk and do this from the comfort of my home without having a camera in front of me from my phone. This is going to download directly to my browser, and then from there I can take it. So for example, I can hit start recording here, and when I start recording, it just record. When I start recording, it just record. So then I can go ahead and hit add to queue, and I can add as many of these as I want. All right. Then I can rename, record, because that's all I said. And then I can play it again if I want to right here, or I can just download the recording. And there it is right there, record.mp4. It's now in my downloads file. So that being said, now we can go ahead and take our script, and we can read from our script. And we can read from our script, which I can actually put as close to the camera as I can, right? Because my camera is in between my two screens. So I've got two screens, and in between there is I've got a little Logitech camera sitting right there, and so I can put it as closely to there as possible, or I can do it podcast style, to where I'm looking off to the side as if I'm speaking to a podcast guest, and be able to record videos like that. Be like, hey man, if you really feel that way, why don't you just come say something? But that's not what we're doing. So anyway, that's how I do this, and I just record it straight to here. Then once I get all these videos in my downloads on your dashboard, you'll be able to go and go here, upload your Submagic into your settings. So if you use that link, you can put your Submagic API key right here that they give you for free. And then once you do that, you can actually just, you'll be able to save your key. And, you know, this is also where you put your money link. This is where you put your URL for your school referral key for Legacy Forge, so you can make money automatically. So that's what this is for. And the Submagic deal here is your editor. I mean, it's your content editor. So that's pretty rad. And then we go back to the Night Lens, and again, it's on talking head, and we can change that to vertical right here if we want to, if we actually do it. Yeah, so we switch it back to vertical, and then we just keep going. So you'll actually be able to upload everything to Submagic. It will edit it for you, and then you can pull it down and send it to all of your socials. And if you do it through here, it will have your affiliate link connected. So that's a pretty rad feature too. So this video has gone on long enough. That's how we do it here in the Night Lens and inside the Night Portal. All of this, including everything, inside of Legacy Forge, including all of the videos, not and the camaraderie and the brotherhood and all that other stuff. All of that stuff is available inside of Legacy Forge here in school, and we're going to be making our own website that is going to have all this stuff in it. That way, we're not bound to school anymore, right? So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut this short now, but take care and God bless, and I hope you join us. Take care.